Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust images height and width using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now click on this home option and select your edit option. Now click on this image and here you can change image width and this is height. In this way you can change image height and width. Also you can select this one. This way you can change this image height and width. Also you can change this image height and width. Click on this format option. Here you can change image height and width. You can remove the lock proportion and make it 350 and 450 and second and see this. Yeah, this is in this way you can change image height and width and adjust. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.